are so excited to formally present this practicum with LA Waterkeeper. Monitoring and maintaining water quality has been a priority for the state of California. One of the state's early initiatives that formally recognized this is the Porter-Cologne Water Quality Act. The act protects water quality and the beneficial uses of water and has an anti-degradation policy set in place. Part of this act led to California establishing 9 regional water quality boards. Recent bioassessment and water quality monitoring has been done by the California Stream Condition Index, otherwise known as CSCI. Finalized in 2013 as a statewide tool, the CSCI combines 2 separate indices into one overall measure of the stream's health. The measure is seen as a score on a scale of 0 to 1. A 0 score shows high degradation and poor biological condition, while a score approaching 1 shows high ecological function and biological integrity. Our aim is to analyze and assess the biological and ecological integrity of the Los Angeles River watershed. Prior assessments have utilized the Indices of Biological Integrity, or IBI, which uses various metrics to determine the quality of waters. However, this system was based on varying biogeographical characteristics and could not be used as a statewide metric to measure ecosystem and water health. We will be using the California Stream Condition Index, which includes a wide range of environmental factors that can be applied across the state. By assessing CSCI data, we hope to both better understand the health of the LA River watershed and the CSCI's compatibility. The main objective of our research is to determine whether the CSCI, California Stream Condition Index, is an appropriate data source to form the basis of biological water quality standards. In particular, we will examine whether the current existing amount of data is able to sufficiently determine the biotic health of streams. A sufficient amount of data will be measured based on the ability of the data to correctly predict values not included in the dataset. If we are able to determine that we do indeed already have enough for reliable predictive models, we will then examine what minimum amount of data and spatial distribution is necessary to maintain effective models. By June of this year, we expect to have completed testing of the CSCI data and result determining the final extent of reliability across Region 4. We will translate this information into a publication that will be used to substantiate the scientific integrity of biological water quality standards. This will include suggested action and emphasize the need for prompt implementation.
We will be analyzing data with CSCI scores from Region 4 watershed stream samples measured by the Southern California Coastal Water Research Project. To analyze the data, we will be using random forest modeling, which is a form of machine learning that generates many classification trees, with each node best split using a subset of predictors randomly chosen at that node to create a final model from the aggregation of the results. This method will allow us to predict scores within subsets of the samples and evaluate the model's ability to predict the scores, and thus evaluate the reliability of the California Stream Condition Index for use in measuring water quality in California. Our client for this research project is Los Angeles Waterkeeper, a nonprofit organization with a mission to protect and improve the ecological health of Los Angeles through law, science, and community empowerment. Our research on current biological indicator data will drive forward the scientific data and analysis needed for LA Waterkeeper to promote the use of bioobjectives for water quality standards in the Los Angeles region. Each group member will be assigned a specific role. However, each person's tasks are not limited to that role. A project schedule with deadlines for all of the tasks will be assigned to group members, and the project manager will regularly update the schedule and check in with group members to ensure the work is being completed on time. Our advisor, Dr. Simons, will be providing our group with guidance throughout the project.